Hi, I'm Christian from the product team at Barebones. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the handle on your Japanese Nata tool. The tools you'll need for this project are a cleaning rag, rubber cement, a scraper, a handle replacement kit which is available for purchase on our website, 1 to 2 hex keys, normally size 3 millimeters, a pair of gloves, and a mallet. Okay, to start off this project, let's put on our gloves. Now I'm going to undo the 2 screws on the handle, holding the blade down, careful not to cut myself. While you're doing this, if you find that the screw on the other side is turning, you can use the second hex key to keep it in place. Next, you use your hex key to poke through the other side of the screws. There is glue on the underside of the handle, which is why we need a scraper to get that popped off. Once it's popped, you can twist the handle until you slide it off. Now repeat on the other side. Pop the glue and pivot the handle until it comes off. We are now ready to assemble our handle replacement kit. So this side of the handle is on the bottom, so I'm going to take my female screws and insert them into place. Now I turn the handle around so that I can place the blade on it. Next I insert the other wooden handle. If you choose to, you can apply rubber cement to the handles, attaching it to the blade, but because of the screws, that's not critical. It's up to you. So now I'm going to take the male screws and insert them into place. I'll take the hex key and I'll tighten the screws a little bit, but I don't want to torque it down quite yet. Because of precision, I'm going to take my gloves off for this part, but remember to be very, very careful around the blade. I'm now going to take my rubber cement and I'm going to apply it onto the outside of this copper tube. I'm now very carefully going to insert the copper tube into the handle. And this is what our rubber mallet is for. You can persuade it a little bit. Make sure everything is lined up before you pound it down. You don't want to break anything, you're just trying to get it through. Now that the copper tube is in place, I'm going to take my cleaning rag and wipe off the excess rubber cement. Now I'm going to take my hex key and tighten the screws the rest of the way, turning clockwise. I tighten the screws until nice and snug. And that is how you replace the handle on your Japanese Nata tool.